咦，看来看去，哇，它的香蕉都很弯哦，
是啊，
弯上去，咦，
尖，
弯上去，咦，几弯的，咦，弯上去的哦，
漂亮吗？
咦，弯上去的耶，咦，看，有没有弯上去的？弯上去的。
这是最漂亮。
是啊，这是最漂亮的。咦，kapit Mina kapit Mina kapit Mina kapit Mina kapit Mina
So I guess the time is
Wow, when is it? My.
Okay, we start at 11:30 ya.
Yeah.
Running out of battery.
What is running out?
Yeah, I had to charge it.
Daddy, what is running out of battery? What is running out?
Cấp tần xí đẹp ăn.
Kapit Mina Macam ni Ini香蕉
尖尖。哇，很尖。
You ever take a picture?
香蕉
What do you guys want to take a picture?
香蕉
Right now. So get ready. Everybody's there. All the food is right in front of you. Yeah, one kiss. You started running. It's rats. What is it?
咦，它香蕉来个咦，看来看去
Hello everyone, very good morning. How are you? And welcome to the park. Okay. So now we are going to start the hornbill feeding. So this hornbill's name is Mina. Okay. Mina is a rhinoceros hornbill. Burung angsa pada semu. Atau burung kenyalang. Our national bird of Malaysia. So Mina is a female hornbill. Okay, from the color of eyes, white color eyes female. If red color eyes male. So this one female. Like other bird inside there, there's a male because red color eyes. But so far we have one female only here. Don't have male. Okay, previously got a male but already died. Okay. And so hornbill they are omnivore. They can eat fruits and meat. So we will start with papaya, then banana, and last one chicken meat. Okay. So tomorrow our feeder will feed Mina. You can watch how Mina eat. Start the feeding. Papaya.
Nice. Nice.
So Mina's age about 20 years. They can live up to 50 years.
Can live until 50 years. Now it's 20 years.
So we use whistle because they can hear whistle. Sometimes the bird will stay very high. We have to use whistle to call the bird. They save time. Okay? Normally after this, the bird will go near restaurant. Over there, lunchtime. Okay? So we feed until the bird are full, then the bird stop eating. Now we give banana.
Interesting. Wow, chicken.
But in the wild they can hunt for squirrel or rat.
I don't know what that is. Like a whole chicken?
Follow.
Wow.
Okay, we continue feeding until the bird is full. Okay.
Nice.
You're so cool. You're so cool.
Okay, later you can see bird show. That
You're
is
so cool.
bird show.
You're so cool. Hey, good. So cool. Yeah, so cool, I guess. Yeah, so cool, so cool.
Sợ dạ.
Yeah. Yeah, sợ vậy. 哦，
要很大声的声音。
蜘蛛。没有啊，在这边。诶？
That is a Hornby shop.
What are you doing, bro? What is he doing up there? Oh my god, wait, I see it! I see it!